Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Wednesday, June 19th, 2024. So markets are closed today. I'm getting this out a little bit early. And, yesterday was just kind of a boring day. The Bulls are in control. That's obvious right now. I think come after Friday, after the triple witching is by us, I think things are going to change a little bit. I think they're just kind of holding it up, and I still believe that they're going to make that run for 5,500 before everything is said and done. But I think there are going to be sellers waiting there. As far as our red flags, they're still in place, even with this grind higher. You can see that the NIAID here is, still has the sell signal in place. No protection at all with the market. So it's exposed to see some type of drop. And if we take a look at the chart, here's just a pattern. I call it's a wolf wave. So it basically what it is this is more of a pennant. So here you can see that where, these trend lines right here have been in play, and then here as well. So the way that this typically works is you overshoot this, and then that's where I'm saying I think the 5,500 will come into play. But here is the target on it. So depending on when it gets down here, you can see a move down to the 54.68. It's a small one. It's not big, but we haven't really seen any types of pullback at all. We've seen these things that last 5 minutes and then they get bid back up. So it seems like we're just a little bloated right now, and there's just too much optimism, and I'm not really quite sure why that is in play, but it is what it is. And I haven't really, I've said to don't really try to fade this. Wait until we get up to the 5,500, 5,520 level, and you put a 1% stop, because if this is going to play out, let's just say it gets up to the 5,500, and we're just looking at you can go and say we're going to do anywhere from a 62 to 78% retracement. That's bringing us down to the 54.40, 54.23. That's still short term, and you can see the moving average right here. So this is obviously what the bears need to get through. It's going to be that 54.72. That's the moving average should be right there. If that happens, we do have this support right here at the 54.48, but most likely we're coming down and we're going to be testing the moving average. But if we look at it on a bigger picture, bear with me 1 second. Okay, so this is this is really the risk that I'm looking at right here. And this is the weekly chart. We have sell signals. This is a massive, massive wedge right here. And if this is going to play out, which I'm not ruling out at all, you're really looking for a move to come somewhere down into the 4,800, 4,600. So, this is, really what I would be a little concerned about, because nobody seems to be concerned, and nobody sees a reason why this market will go down, but it's just, it's going to have its hiccups. It's not going to be smooth sailing like it was. And I think that with the people that are exposed right now with no protection at all, they're going to have to pay the piper. And then once they're washed out, then we'll probably grind back higher again. But right now, I'd be very, very concerned. I'd be cash, or I would be, shorting up here. And, I think more it's not a matter of if we're going to have this pullback. It's more a matter of when. So that's really it. There's not much else. This looks like a bull flag. So again, it's pointing to a next move coming up, moving higher, as this is just kind of consolidating. And once it does, we're going to have sell signals on basically the daily, the weekly 60-minute chart, and we're going to have it on the 15-minute. So each chart is going to be looking for a pullback. And I think with the longer term sell signals that I'm showing you with the internals, I would just be a little bit cautious. But let's see what plays out tomorrow. Enjoy the day off, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.